Oh my God, guys, don't have a heart attack. I finally made it to Bigfoot Haven, which is right across the street from my house. I mean, you gotta drive to it, but I mean, I actually made it. And I'm going to make it to a bunch of spots today because it's a beautiful day. We had torrential rain all week, and my little portal's still there. I love this. Well, it's a huge portal. It's not really a portal, but it's cool looking. I'll take a picture of that. What is that over there, though? Sun's in my eyes. See, oh, maybe it is. Oh, well, that's a portal. Inside a portal. Oh, my God. Hi, guys. How'd you know I was coming? They're just, I mean, I can't be dead balls accurate every single time I open this camera. Look at that. You see that? That's a bird coming in right there. Right there. Dead center. That's his head, and those are his wings. It's a dimensional bird. He just put his head up. Now, I don't know if he's the same as the portal bird, which would be the one that's vertical, that brings him in with his arms or his wings straight up and his legs straight down. Wow, look at it change. That looks like a girl. That doesn't look like the portal bird, right there. Now what happened to the other bird? He's changed already. Where did he go? Where did his head go? His head's gone. There it is. Is it? The sun's right in my eyes, so this is their best time to, I think they get more done during the day. Look at this shit. My God, you guys have come a long way. Woohoo! Look at the portals. Oh my God, they're everywhere. Oh my God. They're all these things that that I don't make a circle or whatever shape it's going to make, but as long as it closes at all points. Who's that? Who are you? Well, hello, cutie pie. I recognize that face. Yeah, you're an extraterrestrial. Yes, you are. And of course, you see there's three of them. Look behind him. 1, 2, 3. Dimensionally cloaked as always. And look, he's got a baby in the front or something. I did a picture of that too. That's amazing. Oh, that other thing's moving now too. Wow. I was only joking when I said that was a portal. My God. Oh, look at my favorite tree. What have you guys been up to? They tore it off and it's white, which makes it a dimensional. They ate it. They ate the bark right off. I heard they do that, but I never really believed that they eat here, but you know, whatever. So don't hold me to that. It could have just been a force of nature, but whoa, look at this. Things you can't see without a camera. That's one badass tree. Look at that picture right there. Oh, that's beautiful. Against the beautiful blue sky. Look at this. Yeah, I see you right there. Oh, I just got a facial on that right there. Right, it's still going. On this right here, my camera's giving me a facial on right there. I can see it from here. Yep, 2 eyes. He saw it before I did. Holy crap. Now see, look, all of a sudden, and I know it could be a shadow, but it does not look like a shadow. Yeah, it does. I was going to say it's blacker than black, just like that, but it's not. I can't believe my camcorder caught that so fast. There it is, too. It's going to change. It's not seeing it as a face anymore. Now it's already going to the left. Already that fast. Now there's a blacker than black frickin' right there. Blacker than black is always suspicious, especially on a white tree. That wasn't a shadow. Look at this. There's a portal too. You can almost see the dimensional line right here, look. Look, I can see it clearer than day. Look at this. This does not belong with that. That does not belong with that. That does not belong with that. See? There's another dimensional line right there. What do we got there? A bunch of leaves. Oh my God. Imagine that. Let's try to stick to the ground because these dimensionals are taking over this year. I don't understand. There he is, son of a bitch. I just walked right into him. Oh my God. He's just standing. Hi, sweetheart. Son of a bitch. I have to tell you, this might be my first. There's two of them. Hold on. There's one right there. I don't know if that's a Bigfoot, but that is a fucking creature. Okay, let's just put it that way. No. It's in between two trees. Where is it? He's right there, and then it would be this. Oh, that's nothing. Keep in mind, I'm blind. This guy is just sitting here, hanging out, looking at me like nothing's going on. And he's about ready to... Oh, what's that moving? Right next to him, like he's getting picked up. Hi, sweetheart. Did you miss me? Hello. I see you. Hello. I have to give him my signal. I'm sorry. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh. My God, it seems like he's getting closer. How could that be possible? He's across the creek. Way across the creek. I'm going to zoom all the way in. Oh my God, now he looks like a Bigfoot. Son of a bitch. I named this Bigfoot Haven for a reason, but, you know. He's still an extraterrestrial, no matter how you look at it, but... Look at the spears or something. Oh my God, look, there's more. I think I found my galactics. You've been hiding out here all along. Look at them all. They're all behind the... all that white is all little baby galactical snakes. Must be feeding time. For the babies or whatever. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I can't believe this. He's just standing there. I mean, I don't think you guys have ever heard me do that before, ever. Just jump back and say, oh my God, there he is. Because I've never done it. He's up here. See, that's not a shadow. There's no way that's a shadow. Watch this. I've been doing this too long. I know this camera too well. There's a face right there. Now that, yeah, that is not a shadow. That is moving is why I won't focus. I can see the fur on it and everything. There's a snake right there at the bottom. Serpent. So who are you going to be? He's thinking about it. Now they want us to think it's a shadow, but it's not. Now maybe, now look. Okay, even if it was a shadow, okay, which, well, I just, look, it's not a shadow. It's, look, it's moving up and down with me. It's what's going on behind the whatever's making the shadow, you know, whatever, that, and right here, there's another one. They're inside the freaking tree. Look at it. Whoa. Son of a bitch. I see the leaves that could be making this whatever, but I'm telling you, it's not a shadow. You don't have to believe me, but I can tell that by their actions. Yeah, I see the leaf. I'm not saying there's not a leaf in there, but I also know the actions of a serpent and or a bird. Look what they're doing right there. They're fighting. Look. Look, right there. He's grabbing a baby or whatever he's grabbing. Pissing somebody off. That is not a shadow. And something's on top of him. Look, a bird's on top of him, pecking at him to get off of his baby, probably. Something weird's going on inside that tree. That's fucked up. I can't even watch that. That's too weird for me. Where did he go? He's gone. That was too weird for me. I gotta bring this up a little bit. Okay, where'd it go? See? Yeah, he took that opportunity and took off. Hi. Wow, this place. I've really got to get to the other side. I'm going to try to keep to the ground because that just freaks me out too bad. Is that him? Oh, it's a bunch of hymns now. Oh, shoot. Are you guys in a trap? Oh, son of a bitch. You guys gotta be on. You guys gotta stop getting caught like this. Look, all of them. They're all in a trap. We're not gonna win the war if you keep losing all these battles, guys. Oh, of course she's calling right now. I can't talk right now. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna, remember how I said that there's been, like, so much more interdimensional activity than there's been galactic, and this time of the year it's supposed to be predominantly galactic. The big Mahavajavas come out in the winter, like right there. Okay? I'm gonna set this on a tree right here for a minute so I can call my landlord back. Look at the little white. I don't know why it's too big. That almost looks like a dog man, but I don't believe in dog man. But if I were to, I would imagine that's what he would look like. Are you guys right behind me? You are, aren't you? Pardon me, subscribers, while I talk to my landlord, so. Wow, look at that. You have earned your name and kept it well.
Oh.
Hi, honey. I'm sorry. I'm working. Oh, whatever you want. No, just filming. I just got to a good spot, and I said, "Oh, no, my phone's on my hand, so I know who it is." No wonder she doesn't call me because I never answer. How you?
I know.
What's going on?
From a walk, and I left my phone back on the people.
Well, that's nothing new. That's all right.
I know.
This morning I woke up and and Polly called. I'm like, God damn, where's my phone at? Okay, she's like, you're on it. I'm like, oh no, you know.
What's this?
So I was yelling to Polly. I was like, hold on a second. Where the fuck is my phone? And she's like, you're on it.
Oh, jeez.
I'm like, that's bad. That's worse than the glasses on the head thing. Yeah, so everything's straightened out. So I talked to Jim and I said, well, this is what you're gonna have to do. We're all gonna give you the money and you just pay all the bills. That's it. Right? Is that what you want? Yeah, because Brendan said that we were supposed to give you all the money and you were gonna pay the bills. And I'm like, I'm confused.
Well, Jim and I talked to him.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Jim's gonna take the off money and
Yeah, because he can
for that.
yeah, he can pay
And
the.
then he's gonna bring the other bills to me and I'm gonna take care of that.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, we're all just going to give what we normally give, except, Brenda's going to give, whatever, you agreed on. And I can just stick my money right in his account at any given time. Through Zelle.
Okay, that's
Through
fine.
Zelle, because he.
Yeah, I think he's gonna collect it tomorrow. Because I want everybody paid by the fifth.
Yeah, he wants to do it. He wants to do it today. So.
After he was there, I mean, he's only seen the Facebook so.
Yeah, mine's done. No, I have mine. I got mine.
Yeah, because the third is the fifth.
Yeah, I always have mine. I'm easy that way. I'm a good little tenant. Sunshine. Oh my God. It looks like a man trying to be a woman. Or something. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Oh, I mean, that's 10, 15 minutes. Didn't stay long. And it didn't take two. Thank God we had somewhere to go. We're pulling out, and I called Joe, right? This was like 11:30. By the time we're ready. It didn't work. So, Rose like, I don't know, we just walked out for a cigarette and got locked out. I'm like, what? My old neighbors know we're supposed to go. We're pulling, they were literally pulling out. I'm like, oh my God. I'm thinking, what did you do already? You know? And I'm like, what? I wonder if Jim thinks they're going on, or maybe might be, because I know you did all that decorating. I said, maybe there's no going on. I didn't even know we had a brother Davey. Is that the last one? Davey. Okay, so that's Steven. No, I don't know. Well, anyway, she's like, that's my little brother on the sofa. I'm like, oh my God, I'm looking at him. Really good. But, and so there was Michael and some girl, and some blonde girl met us with things in her hair. I don't know who that was. Good glowy light. There's stick things. No, I don't think so. I think it was more like a loose. Maybe Kathy will come. But I don't know who she was there. I think maybe she was there with Baby. Is that his name, the youngest again? Yeah, he was asleep when we were walking out the door. That's why I had to take a double take that. I'm like, he did not look like his friend. I didn't think he did. But I hope he wasn't awake and heard me talking about him when he was there. But no, we didn't stay very long. This is day 2 and everyone was burning out, and Jim gets depressed, and he sees me, he wants to talk about it, And Kathy was cranky too. And it's like, one up to the kids. She wants to got to go out there, but that was nice. Even if it was only for half an hour or whatever. What's that? Well, he just misses his baby. He misses you. What the fuck do you think? That's all. That's it. You know, end of story. There's nothing. There's not really anything else. But yeah. So I have no idea. Is that right? Oh, okay. But you'll know this tomorrow, right? You'll get the schedule tomorrow on Friday, I mean? Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, really? Oh, no. Oh, my God. And they just took my mother to the hospital. I forgot. Can you believe I forgot that already? Whenever my brother calls it. Well, yeah. So what, does everyone, including yourself, have to get tested? How long does the test take? Oh my God, that's nerve-wracking, isn't it? Really? Oh wow. Are they like your age or? Well, it's amazing how different how everyone takes it. Hold on a sec. Look at him sitting up in a tree right there. Really? You know what? Not having live TV and being secluded, not having live TV. You know what I mean? I don't. No. I haven't had TV in years. I have a smart TV. It's not live TV. You know, live TV, like the news and, you know. Yeah, you can. Actually, you know what? You're right. I was gonna say, I don't have Wi-Fi. What are you talking about? But what's that? No, no, I'm not even talking about, I'm not even going there. Don't even get me started on that. Nobody's got TV. I'm sure Brendan does, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't go up there that much, really. I just use my hotspot. Yeah, that's his bill, not nobody else's. He's the only one who uses it. I was supposed to pay for that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, he just got it. Yeah, that's fine. That's not a problem. But, you know, no, he got it. He got it. I was just saying, I didn't realize that my hotspot would work on my TV, but it does. And not having Jordan there, you know, makes it fine that I don't have Wi-Fi. You know?
You don't have Wi-Fi? What happened to the Wi-Fi?
Oh, I said don't get me started. Didn't I? I got 175 foot of Ethernet cable off of Amazon. It was on sale. And I was 6 feet short. Yeah, so I got